We are the Awaken family from the Philippines. Back in 2021, we made one of the biggest decisions of our lives. We left our corporate jobs to focus on our little family and follow our dreams. During the pandemic, we bought a van and converted it into our tiny home on wheels. Since then, we've spent the past few years renovating, camping, and traveling. Our intention is to travel around the country, soak up the great outdoors, and share this incredible journey with you. Join us on our family adventures.
Why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside?
This is our second attempt to cross this river on our way to Katihan. Last time, things did not go according to plan. Hopefully, we're better prepared this time.
2:51 PM. Kinakabahan ka na ba?
A little bit.
Pero okay lang. As long as hindi naman masyadong mataas yung water. Hindi masyadong mataas yung water. Nagka-tax lang nila na parang mahirap for a van. Nag-tax kasi sila sa amin ngayon, mga a few minutes ago, na parang mahirap sa van ngayon. But
hindi naman nila sinabi na
hindi passable.
Hindi passable.
But sabi nila parang
medyo mahirap for a van. So
hopefully we can cross finally kasi ang tagal na talaga namin gustong pumunta doon.
Thank you.
Salamat. Salamat.
Medyo kinakabahan na tayo, guys.
Sigma Palaw na puntaan ni. Hopefully dili.
Huli hindi naman umuulan ngayon, di ba? So most probably
kasi kahapon.
Yeah, but hindi naman malakas. Tama lang. Pag-usapan muna namin na excavate muna yung river para makadaan.
Para sure. Baka nag-excavate siya doon.
Umay.
Sila ang first, Papa.
Wait.
Sila ang first. Lahom? Yay! Go to ate.
Iatas na natin yung tuhok kasi in case mabalahaw ba, di ba ang term? Mabalahaw tayo. Mapapapul na lang tayo sa kanila. Shoutout pala sa nabilhan ko ng tuhok, Don Esber. Yeah.
Thanks, sir.
Free shipping.
Go pa! Nags. Yay! Papa made it sa amin. We made it! Yay! Actually, mas deep pa siya compared compared sa last namin na
But we're more confident kasi meron tayong kasama.
Oo. Yay! We are so excited. Katihan, here we go!
Here we go, Katihan!
Ito pala yung ibig nilang sabihin na road widening.
Bye! Alternate tires, go! Alternate tires! You can do it!
Yan yung dinaanan namin.
Yes! I'm sure if hindi yun alternate tires, hindi yun kaya.
Oo.
I think yun na yung pinaka mahirap na daan. Kasi maputik tapos going up.
Yung river lang at saka yung road widening na area. But other than that, okay na dito.
Sure, konti lang talaga nakakapunta dito kasi kita naman yung daan. And even nga yung mga, di ba may nag-PM sa atin na mga jeepney, hindi nga sila tumawid kasi at that time medyo mataas yung tubig. So,
kahit 4x4
kahit 4x4, di ba? Atat, masaka pag ito iba? Isan siya pag ito daw?
We are not expecting na medyo malayo pala siya from the river. So, hopefully hindi kami
Ilang
gabihin.
minutes na tayo, right? More than 10
Minutes
minutes.
na,
More than
oo.
10 minutes na tayo nag-drive na
Oo.
off-road. But hindi pa tayo dumadating. And malayo pa daw sabi nung napagtanungan natin.
So, if you guys are planning to visit here,
Oh,
we recommend na as early as probably
mga 1 or 2.
1 to 2 p.m. or if morning, mas best. This way to
Haven Diner, Misty Mountain, doon pala sa left side.
Opposite way, yan yung Katihan dito.
Yung Katihan is going up. So,
Almost na mag-sunset.
wow! Grabe ka na isang view dito!
Mas gani kaayo.
My.
Hindi ko na-capture, sayang.
Here at Katihan Eco Park!
Alkaline yung water nila dito. So, tinas ng DOH. Sobrang clean daw and pwede siyang inumin directly from the faucet. Kasi yung water source nila coming directly from the mountain. Si Sir Danny. Wow. Credits to RRJ. So since we have a beautiful cabin here, we've decided to stay here instead. And bukas, tsaka kami sa van mag-stay. Good morning, my lovey.
Misha. Min.
Mimi?
Nish boom. Nish boom.
Nice pool. Morning. Morning. We are so excited because today, yung plan namin is mag-kayak. Kasi excited na si Summit, kahapon pa lang siya. But first, magbe-breakfast muna kami.
Di ba? Labi nag-aulan mo. Uy, nakay.
So we're gonna check out today because we are so excited to stay in our van. And as you can see, nag-set up na ang ating mga boys dito. Ready for us to transfer. Sobrang beautiful ng mountains na to. Yun pala actually is tinatawag nilang Mount Kiamo, no? For us based sa lahat ng napuntahan namin dito lang sa Bukidnon na area, ito yung pinaka maganda and for me, the best camping spot na pwede nyong mapuntahan. Although medyo malayo siya, but sobrang worth it yung location talaga pag nandito na kayo. And even yung mountains, during morning or even the sunset, diba? Sunrise, nag-iiba-iba yung color ng mountains nila. Nag-iiba-iba yung, it's pretty much the same, but yung colors, all throughout the day, nag-change because of the sunlight. It's time for us to transfer in the van.
I wanna tell you why the silence here is perfect, and it makes me sick when you leave the room. You were a difficult child, always lost and dreaming. I wanna tell you why, but there's just no words.
Ayun, sila Earl. Ayan. So, sila Earl, kinukuha lang nila yung mga remaining things namin na nandun pa sa cabin. So, this is where we pee. But strictly number 1 only. And we just have our water here beside us to wash. For number 2, sa bathroom talaga. We can also shower here. You can pretty much stand.
So dito pala maraming guava tree. So that's why we're gonna get some guavas.
Ginagawa na nilang jam, guys.
Yeah.
Kasi ang dami. Wanna come, Summit?
I'm gonna get some.
Okay.
I'm gonna get this.
Look at the view.
Wow. Dun kami nagstay kahapon. So, let's see. You want some, Sweezy? Some, Papa. Look, it's okay here.
Oh, Baba!
Oh no, sayang kayo. Sayang kayo. Ala, Pastor anak.
Ano ka?
Nahulog, babe.
After Papa, there's no guava na.
More na pa.
Spaces.
Stay there lang.
You want guava space?
Stay there lang sa summit. Summit.
Papa.
Papa, help daw, Papa.
Taka na
Hey,
lang.
show me. Wow, that's a lot.
There.
Yeah, ano pa man din siya sa kabo pa, oh. Nagdala siya kabo.
Diyan eh. Kami na lang ma-harvest. Kami na lang ma-harvest.
Okay. I love the little moments of realization that we are living the exact life we've always dreamed of. Spending the day in nature, doing something simple that brings us joy. Our 2 young kids playing outside and enjoying the beautiful view of the mountains. This season, the most important gift to ourselves is time with family, prioritizing that simple quality moments with our kids. We as parents get a handful of very precious years while the kids are small, and we want to look back on this stage of life and know that we prioritize the most important thing of all, quality time together as a family.
Golden day drifting far away, light is leaving town. Colors fade, but I'm thinking we stay just for a little while. let's lose track of time. Darling, stay for a little longer while I hold your time. We'll wait, so just rest your head upon my shoulder. Nothing in our way is colder, but the day's not over yet. Summer nights, watch them go by as we fight off the cold. Holding you tight, you know just what I'm thinking. I don't want this moment to go. No, I don't want this moment to go. Let's lose track
Tayo sa pala
of
sa
time.
Spaces, natutulog na and napagod sila kasi nag-enjoy talaga sila dito sa place, Katihan Eco Park. So tomorrow panibagong challenge na naman yung kakaharapin namin kasi nung pababa ako dito sa campsite, hindi ko na tinignan ng masyado, but yung daan kasi it's very steep. And sabi nung may-ari is pag ganito yung weather, pag umuulan, and marami talagang nagsaslide at hindi kinakaya yung daan papunta sa main road. So hopefully bukas hindi umulan at makauwi kami ng maayos and makabalik kami sa Bukidnon. So see you tomorrow. Good night.
Good morning. So it's currently 6:11 a.m. now. Oh, good morning. I'm about to say tulog pa yung mga bata. Or someone is awake now. Good morning, babe.
Morning, Spacey boy. Love you, anak. Morning, bata. Chip, chip, chip. Morning. Uy, lion. Ay, lion, man, lion. Uy, very happy boy mo na. So
dito sa area na to, supposedly, dun daw yung sunrise pa.
no, there.
There.
No, it's there.
But hindi visible ngayon. Hindi visible ngayon kasi ang kapal ng clouds.
Di ba doon yung sunset?
Sunset.
Oh, so doon yung,
Yeah. So today, magluluto ka lang kami ng breakfast and then probably mag-stroll around before we go home. Kasi this is our second night na dito. Third day.
Yeah.
Third day dito.
Mama. Morning, Mama.
Okay, kasi.
Good morning, sweetie.
Na-fall sila yun.
What we love about van life is that mare-remind mo yung sarili mo na magiging grateful ka sa mga little things na hindi mo usually mananotice when you're at home. So, like for example, nag-discuss kami na sobrang swerte natin na na-analyze talaga ni Earl na makakasit down talaga kami sa bed. Sobrang komportable pag nakaka-sit down kayo sa bed nyo, guys.
Kasi it's just like a tent.
Yes,
diba?
yes.
Na parang nasa tent ka lang. So, kung sanay ka sa tent matulog, it's very, very comfortable.
Much more comfortable lang since nasa loob ng van. Kasi sobrang hirap. I could just imagine na nasa loob ng van ka tapos hindi ka di ka makaupo ng straight when you're on your bed. So, I feel like mahirap talaga, no? So, mga little things na ganito na like, when you're at home, hindi mo ma-realize water, electricity, you need to conserve, mga little things na ganyan. So, sobrang grateful lang. We just need to put it out.
Yeah. Nung ginawa ko tong van, inanalyze ko talaga na I could sit. So, ang allowance na sa akin, I think half or a quarter of an inch sa height ko.
And also, I also love the
And
fact
para dun sa mga nagbi-build din, oo,
you can consider.
may kaya nilang gawa ng paraan na makasit go for it kasi talagang
sobrang convenient.
Kasi
sobrang worth it.
may time
I could still remember nung nagbe-build, nagdi-discuss pa lang kami. Si Earl, ang gusto ko, huge storage. So sabi ko sa kanya, it's not designed naman for us to stay on the van, in the van all the time. So okay lang kahit hindi makasit.
Yeah, but
Can you still remember? Sabi ko, taasan pa para malaki yung storage.
but
So,
yeah,
buti na lang.
kasi hindi naman may time talaga na almost whole day nasa van lang tayo. Especially kapag umuulan and hindi tayo nag-set up ng awning, right?
Oo, so may space yung mga bata also to play. Kasi si space can stand. So can you stand, love? Can you stand? Oo, space can stand.
Yeah.
Sa summit, of course, di na siya makastand, but sobrang convenient na malaki yung, ay mataas yung space dito kasi they can just play around. So, yeah.
Ayan. Play with your lion.
Summit is awake. Morning, babe.
So yeah, nag-set up kami ng
Portable
pop-up shop, pop-up
bathroom.
bathroom. So currently pala naghahanap kami ng actually matagal na kami naghahanap ng swivel seat. Kasi plano namin maglagay ng seat dito. So swivel seat, so pwede siyang iharap dito kung nag-work.
If I'm working.
And if we're traveling, nakaharap doon sa front.
Kasi we're planning na yun yung third seat namin for
Summit.
Para maka-transfer si A sa seat niya din. He needs his own seat since he's growing.
So, kung may alam kayo or nagbebenta kayo ng meron kang spare na swivel seat, please comment down below.
Please let us know and help us, guys, kasi matagal na talaga namin hinahanap. Actually, meron online but we don't think mga trusted sellers sa Facebook, no?
And meron din nag-install but puro na sa Luzon.
So if you know someone from Mindanao or probably Cebu, no, that we can visit, please help us and let us know.
The sun is up!
Yay! Look at this.
Yay!
Burst back daw siya.
Hopefully hindi na umulan kasi para ma-dry yung road going up.
Oo, para mahirapan tayo pag slippery yung road. Same kahapon. Kasi guys, dito, kahit na ang ganda ng panahon, pagdating mo, mga few minutes after uulan, tapos a few minutes after, gaganda na naman yung panahon. So, ang bilis mag-change ng weather dito sa area nito.
It's good. What?
Ano naman?
Ow, gato. Ang mga moms nag-work. So, yung mga kids. Thanks, Ate Paz, for watching the cousins. We're going to have a quick hike.
Area na yun. Go.
Oh, so it's just a quick hike. Let's go. Let's go, Summit.
Ay, just di kayo nilalabo.
Yung worry namin ngayon
Is how to climb up later kasi ito yung part na to, kung doon ka sa taas, hindi mo kakalain na napaka-steep pala. So, ngayon na nandito kami sa baba, titignan mo siya. Ito lalab. Buti na lang uminit para daw
ma-dry. Problem namin, may nag-swimming. So if may nagsa-swimming doon, nag-overflow a little bit yung water. But I feel like kaya naman.
napaka-speak.
3 years of van life adventure, and the transformation has been incredible. Watching the kids grow and fall in love with the great outdoors has been the highlight of it all. Each year, we've tried to improve our van life camping game, and we can't wait to see what next year brings.
Golden days drifting far away. Light is leaving town. Colors fade, but I'm thinking we stay.
Ang ganda dito, ang daming pwedeng gawin no. Pwede ka mag-hike, pwede ka mag-kayak, or you can just simply relax. Ang ganda ng place.
So yeah, dito dapat yung
Camping spot nila.
So, you can see flat siya. And yan yung view. So, currently, kita naman, andun kami nakapark. Kaya yan yun. Nice view.
Summer nights.
Naka first try na kami.
Yung nga, first try, hindi kinaya.
Hindi kinaya. So we're going back to try namin a little bit faster. Baka pwede na.
Ha?
What the hell?
Not good to see what the hell.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Hi, good job.
I know. Good job, Papa. I'm sorry, anak.
Kinabahan ako.
Ano ko. Check na lang muna niya yung road before kami mag-proceed just to make sure. Ganito siya ka-steep. Hindi siya medyo obvious sa video but steep siya sa actual going up. So, bumaba na lang muna kami ng mga bata. Ay!
Sorry, nga ni kay.
Hello! Here we go. Oh my gosh. Holy fudge! Oh my gosh. Kinakabahan kami guys kasi nakailang attempt na kami. Hopefully this time, mapupull na yung van because kung hindi, baka ma-stuck kami dito. Go! Yay! Oh my gosh. Cool. Thank you kayo.
Sa bumper. Lusot tong hook.
Oh, inside. It's muddy.
Actually, kanina pa lang, while naliligo ako, kinakabahan ako. Pag umulan, mas worse pa kasi napaka-slippery ng ano, ng
Mas slippery.
yeah, slippery yung cement. Yung cement road nila, napaka-slippery pag wet. What a nice view. Action! So, what a nice experience we got there. Katihan Eco Park. Yeah. So, what can you say?
Ikaw muna.
Experience.
Kasi ikaw yung nag-drive.
Well, going there pa lang, talagang kinakabahan na ako kasi 'di ba, it's our second attempt and our first attempt hindi tayo nakatuloy dahil nga sa pataas yung level ng water. So, akala ko yun na yung main challenge natin.
Main challenge namin finally we crossed the river.
Yeah, but meron pa pala yung road.
It's just the beginning.
Actually, guys, it's a 12-kilometer off-road,
Specific
rough
12
road.
kilometers good.
Yeah, 12 kilometers. And may mga steep at saka challenging road.
Do you think kaya ng sedan?
I think
I don't. Kahit,
If-
let's just assume na
Yeah.
mababa yung tubig.
too big.
Oo.
It depends kung natapos na nila yung road work doon. I think kaya naman siguro. But ang concern lang what if pabalik mo mataas yung tubig, hindi ka na makakaalis, di ba?
It's a great place na basta. But I don't recommend sa mga sedan. Kahit
actually nung papunta tayo, nung medyo may rough road, and I was cheering, gusto ko lang yung mga bata na para hindi sila matakot kasi sa akin kinakabahan na talaga ako noon kasi pag na-stuck tayo, possible kasi na mag-skid or bumalik, mag-slide yung van. So yun, but it's all worth it. Lahat ng yung challenge natin ngayon is all worth it naman dahil sa ganda ng place.
Totally opposite naman sa akin. Kasi like if kinabahan siya, ako naman di masyado. I think so. Kasi nandun naman yung sister ko just in case na kailangan nila kaming i-pull or whatever. So, hindi ako masyadong kinabahan. I really find it exciting yung journey going to Katihan.
So, yun nga, napakaganda ng place and I think I'm a little bit sad na hindi natin masyadong napakita yung place. Hindi ma-justify nung video shots natin, yung ganda ng place. Kasi, even yung air and water, perfect. Ang fresh ng
sobrang
hangin.
Clean.
Yeah.
Kasi yung area na yun, guys, sila yung main source ng water ng whole Malaybalay City, Bukidnon. So, sa lahat ng campsites or even yung mountains na visit namin, like usually may mga poultry farm miles and miles away. But dun specifically sa area na yun, may ordinance sila na bawal talaga. So imagine yung water, yung air, talagang mafe-feel nun.
Yeah, it's very clean.
Sobrang pure, sobrang clean.
Yeah.
And
I just hope meron tayong drone para napakita natin sa kanila yung
wala tayong drone. Soon, hopefully we could, diba, like, naisip ko nga, sabi ko, while I was looking at the mountains nung morning, sabi ko, grabe. And then I was reviewing the shots, grabe, hindi ma-justify talaga.
Yeah.
Yung beauty ng area, ng area ng Katihan.
It's a high elevation na campsite.
Can you give us an idea, like, how high?
So, it's around 1,350 meters above sea level. So, to put it into perspective, yung before na video natin, yung communal ranch, is nasa around 600 lang. So, more than times 2 yung elevation ng Katihan Eco Park. That's why it's very cold and the weather's so nice.
Wow. So, if you haven't watched that video, click the link below.
So, guys, if you're still watching until this time, please do consider subscribing and sharing this video to your friends also.
And also, Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
It's a journey, grabe. We would like to thank you for your support. And grabe, parang kami, sabi ko, 4,000 subscribers, it's not an easy feat. Sobrang nagpapasalamat kami sa suporta ninyo.
I hope na samahan nyo rin kami sa upcoming journeys pa namin and adventures.
We are so excited kasi this coming year, nag-agree na kami that we're gonna visit more places together and we can share it with all of you. Thank you so much and we are so grateful for this community. Have a happy new year ahead and wonderful holidays with your family. Thank you, guys.
Bye sa lahat.
Bye sa lahat.